Well, I got some great news. The replacement axle came in today, and Jim and I are going to go back at it and get everything back together. Jim is working on repairing the damage to the threads at the end, so should be done shortly. Getting the raceway for the bearings put in. Jim's doing the job on that. Well, I got the shaft all nice and clean, ready for the hub to go back on. Well, I forgot to hit record on the camera. We put the bearings in, the wheel back on, and the axle in place, but everything is back together, and really happy. Now we just have to clean up. Brent's making fun of me, but it's working, Brent.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah. So there's Jim that helped me. Without it, I would be stuck. And then there's Brent, who gave me a place to work, right?
And
Kicked me in the
your butt.
Yeah, to get video. Yeah. And I got to clear up all the tools and the mess. I got to return the axle that was the wrong one that was sent, and put my bumper back on. Got to find a place for the diesel fuel tank. Well, all the work is done, and the sun's come out, and I'm pretty happy right now. So I'm going to have dinner and go to bed early, and I'll see you in the morning. Look at this. It's back together. Woohoo! Am I a happy camper or what?
Good morning, Raven. Good morning, Max. How are you today, huh? 1 hour less sleep. Oh, there he is. Oh, hi. Oh, you want to get up? There he goes. Oh, and Raven will follow. I think there's food.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button if you already haven't.